ingon ang mga, they've been so kind, diha ba? I think, kung mausa ni, ma-presidente na siya diha.
Bakit po? Bakit?
Kay, the people, you know, the mga guards has been assuring me, do not worry, we are taking good care of him. Ano ba? Paano maging siya? Even during the time na, during sa Villamor, di ba? Kami, we were so, I asked him nga how do you feel? Are you angry? He said no. Ano siya na, kaya yung mga gumawa sa kanya nito,
Gabaan na, ma'am.
impyerno kayo.
Si Turit,
Because, you know, wala siyang, kami pa, may masakit yung, ako pa, sabi ko sa kanya, pero sabi niya, no, yun ang ano ba, maano talaga siya ng tao. Kilala niyo, naging presidente.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am.
Tsaka, ano ba, yung, all he cared for was about his country and about his countrymen. Alam niyo yan.
There's no doubt, ma'am. There's no doubt.
Kaya, that's why nga, ako, to be honest with you, mangutan ako sa Ginoo. Ko, nga naman, Lord. Ko, up to now, I'm still, dagang question mark. So, buti saan ako naging tarantado, magnanakaw. Diba?
Greedy yung kabila, ma'am. Greedy.
Diba? Wala tinarong wala may wala nag-abuso katong time na kuan ka, wala na, there was no air about him na presidente siya. That was my prayer po before ba na, Lord, help me to remain humble. And then same po sa iyahan na kita niyo man magkasta. Wala siyang air na.
Ba siya message, ma'am?
Actually, this one is win-win ni sa iyaha Nakita niyo naman. Nakita niyo naman. Ang kala nila yun ang that will put him down. Kamali sila. Wrong move.
Nagsisimula pa lang po.
Nagsisimula.
Dapat siya.
Kailangan ito talaga, tapusin talaga natin.
Ay, nandito lang po kami, madam. Mayroon ba siyang message, ma'am, sa mga kababaihan?
Yes, sir, he has a message
sinabi
so,
niya.
sabi niya, mabuhay ang Pilipinas and mabuhay ang Pilipino. So, again, he wants to extend his gratitude to all of you here, and sabi niya that he is willing to make that sacrifice. So,
His sacrifice will not be.
We will extend our gratitude as well, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
We
Thank you,
So,
sir.
talaga?
take note of his sacrifice.
This is the sacrifice for all of you to know what's really happening.
Yeah.
He sacrificed more than us.
Yeah.
So,
mong papasalamat.
I will, ma'am.
Exactly.
He knows. He's very happy to know na you're still here outside.
Hanggang sa dulo.
Every time we visit, he thinks na no one's outside anymore. But I do assure him that no, there's still people outside.